Hi guys, this is Tablet-News.com and I'm here with the unboxing of a tablet called the Onda OBook 20 Plus, and it also comes with a keyboard. Well, it doesn't come with a keyboard, you can get it separately, but we have it here for an unboxing as well. So this is the Onda OBook 20 Plus. In spite of the big box, it's not a big device, it's a 2-in-1 slate with a 10.1-inch screen and a dual boot setup. It has quite an elegant design, and this 10.1 incher can be found on Gearbest.com for $175. So let's see what we're dealing with here. It combines Windows 10 and Remix OS 2.0 based on Android Lollipop. Now let's see what's inside the box. This is an unboxing after all. Okay, so we get the usual documents, manuals, warranty and all that. Then there's the charger, which may require an adapter in some countries, those in Europe for example, and the USB cable that goes to the charger and to the device. And finally, USB OTG adapter, so you can attach USB drives, mice and keyboards to the slate. Okay, now let's put this aside and see what the keyboard is all about. So the keyboard is priced at $48, and here we go. First impression, quite elegant for $48, and it can be used in conjunction with this Onda OBook 20 Plus tablet. Let's put this here. Here we are. Quite generous buttons with pretty solid feedback. We also have a trackpad here and a rotating hinge area that connects via magnets and via those pins to the tablet. Let's see what we got. So aside from the keys and the trackpad, there is a full USB port here, and now let's perform the mighty connection here at Tablet-News.com. So magnets and then the pins, and we are done. Turns into sort of a netbook because of the size, not exactly notebook but rather netbook, with a very elegant cylindrical area to unite them. Okay, so this is the Onda OBook 20 Plus with its keyboard that costs $48. Now let's fire up the tablet and let's see what it's all about. Keeping it pressed, triggering the Remix OS 2.0. Here we go. Okay, so let's wipe this clean a bit. We're dealing here with a 10.1-inch Full HD screen. It's an IPS LCD slate, and it has an Intel Cherry Trail Z8300 CPU. It's a 64-bit CPU, by the way. And aside from that, you should know it's a quad-core chipset. It's accompanied by the Intel HD graphics of the 8th generation, as well as 4GB of LPDDR3 RAM, 64GB of storage. There's a microSD card slot in here, and let's see what else. We got a speaker here, a micro HDMI port, and there's no back camera, as you noticed, no trace of it, but we do have a front camera that's placed here, and it's a 2-megapixel shooter. Now this is what Remix OS is all about. We saw it before on the Q/7 Remix, and it's time to see version 2.0 based on Android Lollipop, as far as I know. Then there's Windows 10 Home. We can switch to it. Let's see from where. Okay, so we got OS switch here. It's shutting down, and we can go to Windows 10 Home. This tablet also has Bluetooth 4.0. It comes with Wi-Fi, and it has a 6000 mAh battery, also 3.7 volts. It measures a pretty excellent, so to say, 8mm in thickness. As far as I can see, it's not a constant thickness, it gets even slimmer at the top. Quite an interesting approach. So it's rather sloped in design. We're waiting for Windows 10 to boot. We press the virtual OS switch button, and here we go. The tablet weighs 577 grams, which makes the keyboard quite hefty at 600 grams. So the whole package, 1 kilo and 100 grams, give or take a few dozens of grams. Once again, pretty solid build, and we got those little rubber legs so you can sit better on a surface and not slip. So here we go, this is Windows 10. Finally it has boot up. Got a dual OS setup here. The tablet is priced at $175 on Gearbest.com, and the keyboard at $48. Windows 10 is here with all of its options, Microsoft Edge, Cortana and all that. We'll be sure to review all this device with both games, battery tests, and whatever you want, performance, benchmarks, and all that. We'll be back with a review very soon here at Tablet-News.com. In the meantime, this has been the unboxing of both the Onda OBook 20 Plus and its faithful keyboard accessory, which you can buy separately for $48. This is it from us. Bye bye.